Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by removing variables. Power down and unplug the amp, then wait a few minutes so filter capacitors stabilize. Once done, disconnect every input and speaker so you can hear the amplifier alone. That isolates external hum sources. Next, try a different properly grounded outlet or a ground lift adapter briefly to determine if the hum is earth loop related. These steps separate power, input, and grounding causes so you know which path to focus on next. Now you systematically add components back. Plug in one source with a short shielded cable and note whether hum returns. If it does, swap that cable for another and try a different source to isolate the culprit. Make sure to test both instrument and line level inputs and observe hum character. Steady low hum suggests grounding, while high-pitched buzz points to bad shielding or a bad adapter. Once you identify the element, you can target repairs or replacement confidently. With the source isolated, you perform the fix. Secure loose ground screws, resolder any cold joints on jacks or PCB traces, and replace suspect cables or a failing power strip. Once you repair or swap components, reconnect the amp to the grounded outlet and speakers, then play at several volumes to confirm the hum is gone. If hum persists, try a ground loop isolator between source and amp. If that fails, consult a qualified technician for internal amplifier.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.